Alrighty, guys, check it out. So it's around 1:30 p.m. right now on this wonderful Monday afternoon, and you guys know what time it is, right? Well, I just told you the time. It's 1:30, but it's time to make another SoFi stock video, which right now SoFi's up over 3%, up 21 cents on the day, trading at $7 and almost 25 cents per share. So let's do a quick update here on the charts, guys. Talk a little bit about SoFi, what I'm looking to do, but before we actually dive into that, if you guys have not gone up to 16 stocks yet for Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat, and fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 more stocks totaling 6 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money, who doesn't like free money, and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. It is greatly appreciated, guys. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So check it out. You guys probably saw earlier today, SoFi stock was up even more than where it is right now. Right now, it's at about, what, $7.24, 25 cents. But earlier in the day, it was at $7.60. That was actually crazy. This came out of the gates running, guys. You guys can see in the morning at open, SoFi was at about $7.10, 15 cents. And then once the markets opened in the first 15, 20 minutes, we got our way all the way up to $7.60. That was a move percentage-wise of around 6.5%, or right around half a dollar, 45 cents, right in that ballpark, right? So right off the bat, guys, we came out swinging. SoFi stock came out swinging, and then it pulled back a little bit to about $7.10. It tested that pre-market level, that pre-market support, which, mind you, we can see on Friday we actually failed all day at around $7.05, $7.10. Let me draw this out to show you guys. So essentially, we pulled right back to that $7.05, $7.10 mark. That was at around, what time was that? 11:30 a.m., so about 2 hours prior to me filming this video. So we pulled back to that point, and we held it. Look at that. Buyers came in. We popped off $7.05, $7.10. We ran to about $7.25, $7.30, and that's where we are right now, pretty much right around $7.25, $7.30, $7.20, that little 5-10 cent range is where we're trading. So to me, guys, it looks like buyers are coming back in, and they're buying up that little intraday dip that we got. And you guys can see, if I pull up the 5-day 5-minute, this looks really good for the bulls. You guys probably remember we were struggling all week last week, and mind you, last week we had a short week. Well, actually on Tuesday, heading into Wednesday, we did very well, but on Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday, you guys can see here, if I draw this trend line out, we were struggling to break above 710, 715 on Wednesday, again, Thursday, and on Friday. But you guys can see what happened today. We broke above 715 clearly. Like I said, we got to about 760, and now we're we're hovering around 720, which is good for the bulls. And you guys can see here pretty much what we got ourselves into heading into today was an ascending triangle. You guys can see right here we have clear higher lows. Well, I guess we still have, but we had them all week last week. Clear higher lows being made 1, 2, 3, 4, but at the same time, we had resistance at around 720, right? 715, 720, which got us deeper and deeper into that triangle. And actually, in the pre-market today, we were getting even deeper into that triangle. And then again, like I said about a minute ago, when the markets open, we had that huge run in the first 15, 20 minutes, which got us above that 720 mark, which had the ascending triangle play out, and which really broke us to new multi-day and multi-week highs here on SoFi. And it's kind of similar to what we saw with Palantir. Not to completely switch gears here, guys, but we made a Palantir video earlier today going over the charts, which you guys should probably go check that out if you didn't watch that video already. And on Palantir, you guys can see we were struggling all last week as well, pretty much at around 15 bucks, $15.05, 10 cents, roughly that, general area. You guys can see on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we failed all 4 of the days last week to break out of that point. But today, this morning, we broke above 15 bucks. We got to about, 15.60 in the first couple hours of trading. Then we got to 15.70, and we're still clearly trading above, the highs from last week, which again is what we're seeing here on SoFi stock as well. So moving forward, I'm going to be looking to see if SoFi holds around, let's say 705, 7.25 to 7.10, 15, 7.20, that 15 to 20 cent range, which you guys can see again. That's the high from that's the main high from last week. I want to see now if buyers hold that point. If the stock in general holds around the 180 SMA, 50 SMA here on the 5-day, 5-minute, which we did pull back to that point right now. We're currently trading at that point right now. So let's see if we hold the low 7s and maybe start making a move again to the mid 7s, high 7s. Let's say we test 760 again. Maybe we break out of that. That's kind of what I'm waiting for here moving forward over the next couple of hours, hour and a half, 2-3 hours of trading. That's what I'm watching out for here on Sofi. And let me pull the 4-hour chart up very quickly so we can see what's going on here on the 4-hour chart. So you guys probably know some key levels from a couple months ago. We're right around $6.80 to about $6.97, which you can see. That's where we peaked back in the beginning of May after we had the earnings. So you guys probably remember we got earnings, right? Stock ran up a little bit, or maybe it dumped right after earnings, I forget. But either way, we got a little excited. We got to about $7 right around earnings, and then earnings came out, boom. We ended up going down to $4.50 over the next couple of days, $4.60, $4.50, that general range. And now we've recovered all that loss and some. Now we're taking, of course, the highs out from the beginning of May, being $6.97. Now we hit roughly $7.60 earlier today, and we also took the highs out from the beginning of March, being around that same level, $6.97. Now we're actually taking the highs out from the middle of February as well. That's with today's move being around $7.30 is where we hit in the middle of February. So that's really good news for the bulls here on Sofi, guys. And to me, by the looks of it, the next main resistance that at least I'm seeing, I don't know about you guys, let me know in the comments, but the next spot I'm looking at is $8, $8.25, and we'll see where it goes from there. My alert's actually set right now at $8.25, which you can see that was the high from the beginning of February. So now that we're breaking out of 7, 7.30, that's the next main resistance I'm looking at. It could be going 8, maybe even higher than that. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Feel free to hit that like button if you haven't done so already. That really helps me out overall in the YouTube algorithm. And let's quickly take a look here at the overall markets, which right now are a mixed bag, no doubt about it. We have the Russell down 1%, which makes sense. I mean, considering the fact that on Friday, I'm not sure if you guys caught it, but on Friday, the Russell was up 3.5%. So the fact that we're giving back 1% today, all right, it makes sense. It can't go up 5, 6, 10, 20% and keep going up and up and up. That's not realistic. So 3.5% green on Friday, 1% red so far today. I'll take it. Net, we're still up 2.5% from Friday. So the Russell's down 1%, but the NASDAQ is up 0.5%. Let me show you guys that. As SPY is up around 0.1%, not doing much, but still 0.1% in the green. And we have the Dow Jones down 0.4%, which I believe the Dow on Friday was up over 2%, if I remember correctly. So that's given back some of the gains today, which is not the end of the world, guys. Net, it's still up around 1.5% from Friday morning, which is great. So clearly, guys, what we have today is a mixed bag when it comes to the indexes, and maybe later on today I'll make a video going deeper into the indexes, the S&P, the NASDAQ. Make sure you guys subscribe if you do want to see that type of content. But for now, that's it. So yeah, let's wrap it up. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, by using that link down below or by going to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks on top of the 6 stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, and mind you, each of those stocks could be valued up to $2,000. Use that Moomoo link down below. It is greatly appreciated. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.